with our warm-up. Nice big arm circles. Get those shoulders nice and warm. And we'll go the other way. And then we'll switch arms. And switch directions. And we can do some big swings in front of us. Start to get that chest loosened up. Back loosened up. And when you feel good there, we'll work into our legs. We'll start side to side. Nice big swings, pulling from our outer thigh, outer glute, and then engaging that inner thigh to pull across our body. Try and keep your foot flexed the whole time. Whoa, we're swinging. And we'll switch legs. And now we'll go forward and backwards. Get those hip flexors and quads working, and also those hammies. Yeah, we'll switch legs. Excellent. I'm gonna have you guys work into your hip hinges and your squats. I trust you know how to do those. I'm gonna start going through the exercises so it's not as long as a pause after you guys are warmed up and we start. So hip hinges, squats, and anything else you feel like you need. So the F is for flutter kicks. So we will be on our back, and you can put your hands kind of under your butt as a little bit of low back support if you need. Then all we're gonna do is straighten our legs out. The closer to the ground, the harder they are. And then we're just doing small kicks. You're gonna feel this in your core. That's the goal. That's what we're aiming for. So easy enough there. Then we're gonna flip over and do inchworm burpees, which we've done before. So we'll start with our feet on the ground. Then we reach over, put our hands on the ground, and we walk our hands all the way out as far as we can. It may be farther than your shoulders. Then you're gonna tiptoe your feet up to your hands. Once they're there, we're gonna stand, jump for the burpee, hands go back down, feet jump or step back, and then hands walk back to your feet. So it's a burpee, but just adding that inchworm movement. They've previously been called caterpillars, but we call them inchworms to fit the theme. Then we get back on the ground for reverse crunches. So for reverse crunches, we're gonna be on our back. Our feet are towards the ceiling, your hands are down on the ground, and we just lift our legs straight up to the ceiling. Reverse crunches there. Lots of ab work today. Then we're gonna grab one weight for elbow plank pull-throughs. So we'll be in our low plank, elbows under shoulders, pushing through our heels to engage our quads. And we've done pull-throughs on high planks, but here we're just doing it in low planks. So just pulling across our body. I hope my hair is not in the way and you guys can see. Butt stays down, pulling side to side. After that, we have windmills. So the first round, we're gonna do right arm, second round left, and then same for third and fourth round. So for windmills, we're gonna have the weight up above our head in one hand. Then what you're gonna do is kind of pop your hip out, opposite direction, same direction. Then with this bent leg, you're gonna run your hand on the inside of it and then explode up. So this isn't a difficult movement, but we're thinking about core engagement here and holding that weight steady above our head. So we'll just be on one side for that the first round, then we'll switch sides. Then I had to think of something with O, so we're not bent over, we're over bent here. In a demi squat. So it's just our hip hinge, but I want us to squat a little bit lower to hold this squat during it. Weights face each other, elbows staying close to our ribs, and we just pull back. So you can target different areas of your back here if you'd like by rotating your hands. So your palms can face out, palms can face in, palms can face each other throughout that as we go through each round. Then we have reverse lunge to a knee drive. You can hold a weight here. We're just gonna stay on one leg for each round. We just step back, and then as we come forward, we drive our knee up. So forward, backwards, just on one leg. Then we're doing curtsy with a K, lunge to a lateral leg lift. So we're gonna double whammy that leg here. We'll go behind as we stand, lift. Again, staying on one leg. So we're gonna feel the burn. Then for S, we have sit up to shoulder press. So we're gonna have both of our weights, and we're just gonna do a sit up, shoulder press. Go back down, sit up, shoulder press. We'll be there. And then the exclamation point is just gonna be cardio. You'll get a say in what you do. I don't care, but we just need to elevate that heart rate a little bit so you can do mountain climbers, high knees, burpees, skaters. You could go run up and down your stairs if you want. Whatever floats your boat. So that's the plan. We're gonna aim for 4 times through 40 seconds each time. And lock the core, and we're starting on the ground. So we are there for flutter kicks. And let's start. You can lift your head off the ground here. You're gonna feel a little bit more of a burn that way. It's really gonna engage your core. Again, the closer those legs are to the ground, the more we're gonna feel the burn. We're halfway through. Whew. Keep working. Good, hop up. We have inchworm burpees. So remember, those palms are on the ground. Walk them out as far as you can. Then your feet walk up to your hands. Jump, hands back down, jump your feet out, walk your hands back. Try not to stand up between reps here. We have 10 more seconds, and then we have reverse crunches. Let's get there now. Legs straight up, and you lift those heels to the ceiling by using your core. Core's gonna be on fire here. I can already feel it. Good. Elbow plank with a pull through here. Not already. Make sure that butt stays down. So this first round, if it's easier, we can all do right side for everything. So then we don't have to remember what we did for what. So we'll stand up, weight in our right hand, left leg slightly bent, feet shoulder width apart. Keep that weight steady over your head. Lower, nice and in control, keeping that hand along that inner leg, and then be explosive, pushing that weight towards the ceiling. Keep working. After this, we have a reverse lunge with the knee drive, right leg. Let's do it now. Oh, I almost did a kick. You can kick if you want. Make sure that front knee isn't shifting over your toes. You're lowering into a good lunge. From here, we're gonna go into a curtsy lunge with a lateral little leg lift. And we go now, same leg here. We're gonna feel the burn. You can hold a weight either at your side, well, 2 weights at each side. Good. Or one in your chest, and all of these for some added resistance. Or you can go without any. Ten more seconds here. Then we're gonna do sit up to shoulder press. Double lats. Good. To the floor. You can use one weight if that's what you have, or 2. But I also want you to focus on controlling as you go down to the ground. You're not just flopping back. I also want you to be thinking about what your cardio burst is going to be. Something you're comfortable with, but something you feel you can push yourself. I think I'm gonna do squat jumps this first time and probably regret it the rest of class. So let's get up, or maybe you're in mountain climbers, and do your cardio for 40 seconds here. Push yourself, get that heart rate up. We have recovery after this. Again, not lots of cardio in class. So we need to push ourselves during it. We have 10 more seconds here. And relax. Woo! Feels quick, flying through those thingies, but that's good. We're quarter of the way done. I'm gonna put the fans on. Have some time to recover. And then we'll do it again. So that's it. That's all we're doing. 3 more times, but we've still got some time to recover. If you feel like you can push yourself, which hopefully, especially in these 2 rounds, you can. First round, we took to get used to the exercise, maybe to the transitions. These next 2, we really know what we're doing. Last one, we may be a little fatigued, but it's not gonna be an excuse. But I really want this middle chunk to be where we try to increase reps and our overall workload. Whew, I'm tired. Okay, but To the floor we go. Flutter kicks, inchworm burpees, reverse crunch. Those are our first 3. We're off. Oh, I was doing reverse crunches, sorry. Push yourself here. No, it's only for 40 seconds. You can do probably anything for 40 seconds. Halfway. The smaller the kicks, the more the burn you'll feel too. Know those abs are working. Good, flip over. Inchworm burpees. Move it, move it, move it. So really the only thing I'm walking while doing these is my hands. I'm jumping my feet up to them and then back away from them too. You're just gonna get more reps in that way, so take this kind of wherever you'd like. We have 5 more seconds here, and we're back on the ground for reverse crunches. Let's do it. On your back, feet to the ceiling, arms on the ground. Just like our sit-ups, I want you to feel like after lifting your heels to the sky, you're controlling them yourself and your body being lowered to the ground. After this, we have our elbow plank pull throughs. Good. Get there. Now, I want you guys, if you need to just hold the elbow plank. You don't have to do the pull through, but I want good form. And I want you to push yourself. Maybe that means we're up off our knees, at least for 2 of the rounds. Let's find a way here to get a little more advanced in our workout. After this, we have our windmill. So that weight's gonna be in our left hand this time. Slight bend in our right knee. Good, hop up. Weights in your left hand. Slight bend in your right leg. Nice, slow, building tension on the way down. Explosive on the way up. Hold that weight steady. Feel your lat working for you as that weight stays overhead, basically in the same spot. This exercise is always deceiving to me. I feel like I'm not working that hard, and then the next day I'm like, what am I sore from? This is it. After this, we grab both our weights for our overbent rows. Good. Grab them. I kind of, now that I say it, feel like I skipped these last time. Yeah. Sorry, guys. It's like, I don't remember doing that. Again, you can take a couple variations of your rows. Palms out, palms towards each other, or palms in towards your thigh. Make sure you're in a nice half squat here. Halfway through, feel the burn. Ten more seconds. And then we're in reverse lunge with a knee drive. Left leg. Good, go there now. Nice and controlled. Be powerful with the knee drive though. Good, keep working. 10 more seconds here. Good. Curtsy lunge with a leg lift. Still on that left side. On your leg lift, pull those toes in towards your shin and lead with your heel. Ten more seconds. Then we have our sit-up shoulder press. Good. To the floor. Remember, while we're here, we're thinking about what we're gonna do for cardio. You can do the same thing every time if you want. If you want to mix it up, you can do that too. 10 more seconds, and we're in whatever you're doing. I think I'm gonna do mountain climbers, crossbody mountain climbers this time. Let's go. Push yourself, get that heart rate up. We have recovery coming. Keep going. Fifteen more seconds. Last 10. And relax. Woo! Excellent. Already halfway through. Heck yeah. Nice long recovery here. About 2 to 3 minutes. I'm gonna mix it up though. Just a view. Same workout though. Okay. Whew. All right, we're just flying through this. My abs are on fire, I'm not gonna lie, but it's a good thing. Okay. Whew. Are we ready for round 3? Okay, then round 3, we shall do flutter kicks. Oh, wait, yeah. See, now I'm confusing myself with the reverse crunches thing. Okay, here we go. Pushing it, pushing it. Flutter kicks, inchworm, reverse crunches. Work those abs here. Think about all the hot dogs and macaroni salad and good 4th of July food. About to eat. 10 more seconds. Good, hop up. Whew. Here we go. Inchworm burpees. Try to keep those palms flat on the ground. Really feel those hamstrings stretch for you. Almost there. Ten more seconds. Good. On our back. Now we have reverse crunches. Remember what you're working here. Think about pulling your abs so hard that it lifts your pelvis off the ground, but controlling that movement back down. Legs stay straight. We're not using momentum here. Good. On your elbows. Elbow plank. Pull through, of course. Butt stays down. Our abs are feeling tired now, so we really need to draw attention to our form. Push through your heels to help you distribute your weight a little bit better. $15 more seconds. Then we're up in windmill. Right hand. Good, hop up. Oh, core circuit. It's a burnout. Right arm up. Left leg sliding on your inner thigh. Explosive as you lift that weight into the ceiling and you feel that oblique squeezing to stand you upright. Okay, weights, rows, in a squat. This isn't just a hinge. We're in a squat here. I want your legs to be burning. Chest stays big. Weights in your heels. Body weights in your heels. Weights in your hands. And you're moving it with your back muscles. Think about squeezing the bottom of your shoulders together. 15 more seconds. Good. Reverse lunge with a knee drive. Right knee's moving. Left knee stationary. Keep your core engaged here. I know we've been talking about it a lot in class, but especially in that knee drive, that's what's going to keep you stable on that left leg when you drive your knee up. Think about building tension as you lunge back and being explosive with the knee drive up. Excellent. Curtsy lunge, lateral leg raise. Remember, toes pulled in, leading with your heel. Keep working. 10 more seconds. Excellent. Sit up, shoulder press. And of course, a moment to think about your doom, whatever cardio you're gonna do. Nice and controlled as we sit back as well. See how slowly you can do it. That's putting a lot of tension on your core if you slowly sit back. We're halfway through. I think this time I'm going to do squat jacks, if anyone wants to join me. Good. Let's hop up for cardio. Here we go. Push yourself. I want to do little fireworks right now. Push your reps here. Get that heart rate way, way up. We've got a long recovery coming. And we're already 3/4 through our workout. Three, 2, 1. Woo! Check. 3/4 of the way done. Now, grand finale of fireworks. First, we need a break before that happens. Good job. We're through the heart of it. A little bit of, at least for me, we got checked this last round, but we're gonna stay consistent. We're gonna continue to push ourselves because we're already this far, so why the heck not? But we still have about a minute to recover because we're gonna hit it hard and then we're done. And we get to celebrate 4th of July. It feels like summer because it is summer. Whew. It's a weird summer, but nonetheless, it's a summer. Okay. Mentally check in. Last round. We've got it. Starting with our flutter kicks. Let's go. Remember, push yourself this round. You don't even have, it's about 7.5 minutes of work. Piece of cake. And you might as well make it count. You're doing it anyway. Three, 2, 1. Inchworm burpees. Ooh. Socks are sliding that time. I couldn't get my feet to jump. Halfway through. Keep going. Just remember, with every exercise you're doing, if you don't like it, it's the last time we have to do it. Today. I can't make any promises for after this. Good. To the floor. Reverse crunches. Work it, work it, work it. Legs are straight. Last 10. Then we're in our elbow plank. And this is the last bit of the floor core, so that's awesome. Let's get to the elbow plank. Pulling that way through, but staying down. Staying nice and strong here. Remember this round, we're on the left side of everything. Ten more seconds. Good, hop up. Windmill. Weight in your left hand. Hip pop. A little bend in your right leg. Building tension, exploding up. Stay strong through that shoulder. So you should feel your pec, your shoulder, and your lat working to stabilize that weight overhead. Halfway through. After this, we have our rows. Grab your weight. Let's do it. Remember, we're in a squat. Working those legs, holding that isometric squat. Keep going here. Ten more seconds here, then we have a reverse lunge knee drive. Left leg's moving. Three, two, one, let's go. Lunge, drive, lunge, drive. Push yourself here, you guys. I know we're tired, but we've got it. We're strong and able-bodied. The legs are shaking, the core's shaking. Ten more seconds. And then we're in curtsy lunge. Good. Let's do it. Lunge, lift. Make sure we're lunging nice and low in this last round. Not cutting any corners. I made it. Ten more seconds here. Then we have sit-ups. Okay, to the floor. Sit-up shoulder press. And of course, we'll have cardio for you to figure out. Halfway through. We got it. Last 10. I'm feeling crazy, so I think I'm gonna do burpees. All right, last 40 seconds. Let's go. We're almost done. Push yourself here. Get out of your comfort zone. Last 10 seconds. Whew. And relax. Whew. We did it. Quick drink though, because we have one more small thing. We cannot have a 4th of July class without star jumps. So that's how we're gonna end it. And because it's 2020, we're doing 20 of them. So, star jumps. We're gonna get ourselves into a little ball and then jump like a star. 20 of them. If the jump's too much, you can jumping jacks, or you can just do a squat and like calf raise your arms. I want you looking like a star in essence. 20 of them. Last little bit, and then we'll stretch it out and officially call it a weekend for everyone. So, let's go. Push it. Feel like the grand finale. Keep going. Whew. Yes. Okay. Not gonna lie. The legs are shaking. But we're done. Grab a drink of water. We'll stretch it out. Let's just do it on the floor. All right. First our arms. Cross one arm over. Pull that thing tight. Nice big breath. And the other way. Excellent. Triceps. Reach that hand down the middle of your back. I know. We'll switch our arms. I thought about looking up the 4th of July playlist, but didn't. Whew. Good. Relax those arms down. I'm gonna have you put them behind your back, palms facing you, and then push against the ground. Open up your chest. Feel a nice stretch through your back, through your chest, through your arms. Excellent. Now, butterfly. Soles of your feet together. Elbows can go on the inside of those thighs, pushing them in opposite directions. Good. Straighten those legs out. Big inhale, fill your lungs as you exhale. Oh gosh. Reach for those toes. Feel a nice pull in the back of your legs. Excellent. We'll sit up nice and tall. Cross one leg over. Excuse me. Spinal twist. Opposite arm to outside the leg. Apply equal pressure to get you to twist and try to see that back wall. And go the other way. Good. Before we go to our back, we're going to get on all fours. Hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Get a little cat-cow action in. So we'll tuck our chin, pull our shoulder blades apart, round our spine up towards the ceiling. Push, 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 push. And then we'll drop our stomach, lift our forehead, squeeze our shoulder blades together. And opposite direction. And sink again. We'll go one more time each way, up into cat. Down into cow. Good. From here, connect your big toes. Spread your knees wide, sit back. Reach those arms out in front of you. That forehead can hit the ground. We're going into child's pose. Some nice deep breaths here. Feel that stretch down your arms, down through your lats, through your mid-back, all the way down into your hips. So take some nice deep breaths as you try to sink deeper into this. Good. From here, I want us to kind of push through almost into cobra. Hands are going to stay under your shoulders. Then we're raising that chest to the ceiling. Feel a nice long stretch through your abs. Whew, they worked hard for us today. Out through your chest. Excellent. And however you see fit, get on your back. Finally. We'll start with our figure four. Cross one ankle over your knee. And you can hang out there if it feels good. If you need more, you can grab under that thigh. Pull that thing close to your chest. And before we go to the other, we're going to put that foot back on the ground. Kind of cross your legs, press along. Your shoulders stay glued to the ground, and you let them fall to the opposite. Or I guess there's no opposites across. Just let them fall to the side. Feel a nice stretch through that leg. That's on top, up through the hip, through your SI, up through your low back, into your mid back. And we'll unravel and do figure four the other way. And same thing, Cross those legs, tee your arms out, and let them fall to the side. Ooh, I'm tight this way. And we'll unravel there. Squeeze both knees tight into your chest. Get some relief in that low back. Roll around, see if there's anywhere that needs a little bit extra love. And finally, relax that head back, put those shoulders on the ground. Knees over hips, ankles in line with knees. Everything stays glued together, arms teed out. We rotate side to side, nice and slow. Let your legs feel heavy here. We'll go about 3 to 4 each way. And we can officially call it a weekend. Thank you guys for coming. Have a safe weekend. Enjoy yourselves. Enjoy summer, the nice weather, and we'll plan on seeing you Monday.